How to use this model? We see that the source and content of this project are all empty. All functions are shared in each fork. There are 5 switches here that need to be stored in FAP Business. The other is the fork of Lyra project, which can be selected and can be used by SX. You don't need to use it. Invite the main code and data in the game features in the project. Assume that you have created your project. You can put plugins in your project. Here, I will use the assets of the Titan project to display the usage method. You can also directly add assets to this model to build your project. Restart. I am using the engine version for 5.7.3. In FAP Business, my difference in will have a model chain. Provide 5.6 and 5.72 versions. It is developing for 5.7. Here, I will record some usage methods. Currently, only the project settings will be updated at the same time as the video is recorded. After the transformation is done, the project will be restarted for the first time. This is because the project uses the game feature. After clicking on it, I will automatically add the asset manager in the project settings. The project uses command UI, so it needs to do the corresponding design. The design method can be found in the official document. This is the design of the command. Add the Titan in my model version. Here, I will separate the command and the command of the keyboard and the handle. Local play select common local player. Game viewport select common game viewport. The design is to use the push wager function of COMMonitor. Gaming sense select common game instance type. In default game add the code in the AMI tab. Find the route corresponding to the map. This map will create an UI when the project is started. In this UI, you can set multiple layers. You can increase the demand. After that, use push content in the project to activate the common activate widget in the stack mode. This is the effect type setting for the project, and the volume. Save is the save game data type used in the project. It can be modified according to your needs. The project can be set through subsystem gate and set. This is the default value and the sensitivity of the mouse. When you add or increase the input setting, you can adjust it in the menu. Choose Add User Settings. Choose General Enhanced Input User Settings. General Enhanced Input User Settings can be used to map the area with the map. This is because the previous version will appear smoothly after changing THE button. Hit Settings and add the object type and the preview setting are used in the scene. Add Damage Channel is used for damage control. Character Mesh opens this channel. New refers to the effect of object. In Target Tact the channel of damage control is just created. Select the preview setting just created in the bar. Find the scene of Titan and modify game mode to game mode. Because Control Rig uses physics, we open this tab. Control Rig can be used in the scene of Control Rig. I also used Drawgonic to achieve M to Fab to buy. If you don't have a Drawgonic fork, please open it at the bottom of the animation blue map. Next, add the gameplay tag data table used in the project. Because this is just the tag used by my teacher, you are not necessarily used in your project. Create input component and gas input component. Create gameplay abilities is set. Create gameplay abilities is set. Now you can use RPG mode in this scene. Then I will create a new game fetcher and use Titan assets to display the entire model's use method.